Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayleigh, in case you didn't know that. And today I thought I would do a makeup look for when you're traveling. This is because I'm going to Cape Town in a few days. And I'm getting on a flight and it's really early and I'm not going to have a lot of time to do my makeup. And yeah, I don't really want to be wearing a full face of makeup while I'm on a plane because it's really dry up in the sky. So yeah, I'm going to Cape Town for a week, so I'm going to be filming this video and next week's video as well. So if I'm wearing the same outfit, I'm sorry, deal with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna get on into the makeup look. It's very quick, very easy. It's my go-to when I'm running late. So yeah, so the first thing that I'm going to do is use this. This is my must-haves palette from Essence. It's got two colors at the moment, a silvery iridescent white and a, I don't know, like shimmer brown. I don't know what shades they are. Let me see. This is in Miss Foxy Roxy. This is the shade. This is the shade I'm going to be using the most right now. So with that, I'm just going to do that over my lid. I'm gonna do pretty much my entire lid. And voila, that is it. That's for my eyeshadow. that's all I do. It's mainly just so I don't look so dead because I always wear eyeshadow. I love wearing eyeshadow. My alarm's going off. Then after that, I'm not finished. Yes, okay. After that, I'm moving in to do my eyebrows. I will never leave the house without doing my eyebrows. So sometimes I'll skip this step and just do mascara and my my eyebrows. But yeah, I never forget about my eyebrows. They are my babies. So for that, I'm using Catrice Cosmetics eyebrow set. There's no shade for it. They just have one. Yeah, but I'm using the darker shade for my brows, and I'm just gonna fill them in because yeah, that's all I need to do. And that is my eyebrows done. And then after that, mascara. Yeah, mascara and my eyebrows are the things I do not leave the house without doing. So yeah. And that is my eyelashes done. Then after this, I will move in to do my lips. And for that, I'm using the Essence Would You Love Me lip palette. I'm gonna go for the middle shade, which is kind of like a orangey red, not really an orangey red, but a red kind of color. And that is my makeup done. Yeah, it's just a little something to make myself look a little bit more presentable. Yeah, so that is everything, I guess. However, another thing that is very exciting, I'm going to put a link down in the description for my film. Yeah, I made a short film this term or this semester, and yeah, I really want you guys to check it out. It's called Raina. It's basically about a world where people are restricted of their expression. So in other words, they're not allowed to express themselves in dancing, singing, wearing color, anything like that, which is kind of interesting since I'm like a makeup artist and that's how I express myself. So yeah, it was really fun to do, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And yeah, so definitely go and check out the film. And yeah, I think that's everything. Anyway, I will see you guys next week with an all new video. Bye guys.